Alright, so welcome to another segment of Brody's Basement. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Auto-vox M1 Backup Camera Kit. I got this kit for about 60 bucks Canadian on Amazon, and so let's see how it goes. So you got your 1-year limited warranty. Try to focus. There you go. Anyways, like they would respect it anyways. Your instructions, imagine. Yes, this is it. Instructions. Any French ones for me? No. Nope. Only English. Not a big deal. So there we go. I'm going to provide a clip anyways on how to install this. So keep going in the box. Got some foam. We got the screen. Alright, hang on. Let's pull this out. Foaming. Alright, let's take this box with it then. If you want to come, if you insist. There we go. You got the screen. Hey, reflection. Yep, so we got the screen. Sorry. Got the latch to stick it on. You got your menu buttons. This is, oh, I think it's the actual camera. Yes, it is. All right. All right, 3M tape, two-sided, pretty cool. So this is the actual camera. All right, and it's pretty sturdy. It's metal. Yeah. Was expecting cheap plastic or something like that, but no, it's actually metal. Awesome. Dashboard suction cup. And some wiring. Alright, there we go. Some Scotch locks, tie wraps, and the actual wiring. So this is what I was curious about, because I got a big pickup. And it's a standard 6.5 foot box. I got a crew cab, so this is going to be in the back, and this is going to be in the front. So how it's going to run, we'll see. Well, I'm going to be making a how-to video basically, so I'm going to install it. But I'm just curious to see if it works. So let me hang on. Wires seem pretty ready. All right. Power. Alright, so this goes power. Alright. So let's see, hook this up. Let's see. Pretty much here. Yeah, kids upstairs. There we go. So this is this here. Awesome. Let's put this like that. Let's see. This here. This here, and let's try to pick up that TV. There you go. Alright, so luckily I got my RV battery down here on the charger, so let me just scoot on by and hook it up quickly. Hang on, we can move it on there. Alright, is it turned on? Yeah, there we go. Sorry about that. There you go. There you got my fat face. Pretty awesome. So, yeah. Thanks for watching another segment of Brody's Basement. Like, follow-up video when I install this on my 2015 GMC Sierra. Alright, take care.